Okay, part 2, final exam, review 1. Here's number 5, the slope of a horizontal line. Remember that a horizontal line runs this direction. So if we're thinking of a coordinate plane and we have a line running horizontally, think to yourself, could I make the letter Z for 0 or could I make the letter U for undefined? This horizontal line would continue to make the letter Z. Z for a 0 slope. Number 6. Write an equation that describes a line that passes through the points 0, -4, and 3, 2. I can't write an equation unless I find the slope first. So finding the slope, remember the doo-doo method, down, up, minus on top and a minus on bottom. 0 goes down, -4 goes up. 3 goes down, 2 goes up. -4 minus 2 is -6. 0 minus 3, -3. Yes, that does simplify to a +2. That's your slope. That's your m value. The equation we're trying to make is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1, which is known as the point slope form. What are the y1 and the x1? That's your first point, your first x, your first y. So y minus -4. The minus -4 becomes +4. M is the slope you just found. And then x minus the 0. There, you have an equation. I'm not stressing over you going any further. I just want you to go that far for now. Problem 7. What's the slope and the y-intercept? Y-intercept is easy. Where does it cross the y-axis? It crosses right here at 1. Now remember, the y-intercept, that's your b value. So b equals +1. Slope, that's your m value. That is your rise over your run. Find another intersection. That's not one. That's not one. Here we go. Here's an intersection. How many do I have to rise and run to get there? Up, 1, 2, 3. So that's +3. And then right 1. So that's a +1. So 3 over 1, which simplifies to 3. There's your slope and your y-intercept. Graphing the inequality. There's your m, there's your b. Plot the b first. -1. 2, remember that's 2 over 1, so rise 2, run 1. What kind of line am I going to make here? Dotted, because it does not have the or equals to bar underneath. So a dotted line all the way across the whole graph. Where do I shade? I shade below because y is less than.